Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So, happy Friday. Today we're going to do the Inked Goddess unboxing. It's from Inked Goddess Creations. I took the label off and I cut the tape. This is a subscription box. It's $35 or $33? $35 a month. They take the money out on the 1st. You usually get your box by the 10th, which I did. But I'm just now getting around to unboxing it. So, let's see. Oh, that's what she's looking like. So, you always get a card that explains everything that you're getting. So, I took the card off, and there's... So, this... Oh, that's what she's looking like. Alright, so I'm going to set this over here. And I'm just going to take out one thing at a time. I'm going to put my glasses on. So, trust your gut, witch. This is off the card. Intuition, gut, that little voice inside you wants to be trusted, wants to ring true. The answers you seek can be found within. Trust your gut, witch, again and again. August Inked Goddess Creation Box contains items to help you develop, nurture your intuition, psychic abilities, and divination practice. Our shipping boxes and tissue paper are made from 100% recycled materials. Our choice to use eco-friendly packaging in our way of helping beautiful Mother Earth. This month, a portion of our box profits was donated to All Hands and Hearts. You can read more about them on allhandsandhearts.org. So, there's the card. So, this is the Charm Casting Ritual Mini Book of Shadow page. A simple ritual that brings together all parts of your box to awaken your intuition and activate your new charm casting set. So there's that. There's something on there. Okay. Da, da, da. Okay, we got a black thing I'm not seeing. Okay. Create your own charm casting set. Charm castings roots date back centuries, and this set helps you create your own or add to your existing charm set. Using modern day trinkets. The set includes 7 charms. Okay. 7 charms. A charm casting instruction guide. That's this. We'll look at the charms here. And a black casting cloth. So that's what this is looking like. Alright, so here's the charms they sent. It's in this little Ziploc bag. That doesn't sound good. That dog is screaming. Okay, there's one. This is a little rose. Guys, I'm going to have to pause this and see what's... Let me see what's happening to this dog. Okay, that was like a second for you. About 10 minutes for me. Alright. Husky. That was a husky. Must have got loose. Its collar got caught on the neighbor's fence. It started screaming like that. We got him off of there. And then the owner came running down. I'm out of breath. Whew. I'm getting too old for this. back to the charms. All right, so we got the big flower, yellow rose, a little alien type person, smiley face, silver, snake, looks like a little potion bottle, and a lucky charm, a clover, lucky four-leaf clover, and the casting guide. So it says guidebook, instructions, casting methods, so on and so forth. I've never done this before, so this is, I mean, I've casted things, but this is different. It's like they said, they're bringing a modern twist to it. So let me just put these all back. I'm sorry if I'm killing you and you're on the microphone. All right, so next is, I love when they send any perfumes or oils that they always use a Ziploc bag, which I love, just in case it would leak. Oh, it smells good. Which knows all. All right, so Which Knows All Mist, our signature intuitive blend of lavender, cedarwood, and star anise, helps you open yourself fully to receive messages and develop stronger psychic abilities. Spray before divination sessions, meditations, or when you just want to open your psychic senses more. So there's that. It really smells good. All right, so Which Knows All Votive Candle, a blend of lavender, cedarwood, and anise to help you open your third eye to activate your psychic abilities. That smells so good. That is good. All right, so this is Apophyllite Point. I think that's how you say it, Apophyllite Point. It has been Morgan. Morgan's the owner of the Ink Goddess Creations. All right, so this is the point. It says, Apophyllite has been Morgan's go-to crystal for psychic development for decades. It opens up communication between you and your guides, opens your third eye and crown chakras, and cleanses away negative energy. Morgan's witchy tip: lie down and place the Apophyllite point directly on your third eye to open yourself for deep meditation and clear messages. So this is what she looks like. It's very pretty. Very pretty. And it's very cold. I like that. All right. All right. You get your cards to add to the deck, which I'll show you. These are the ones that I've collected. There's more down there, but it's the Eclectic Witch deck. It has all the information. These two are about Apophyllite. It's a high vibrational sparkling zeolite that brings a wave of calm and peace. It's a powerful meditation tool with reflective surfaces acting like tiny mirrors that help you see yourself clearly. And then the charm casting, it gives you, you just add it to your deck. And then there's something in a box. Oh, a wooden box to store everything in. Oh, isn't that... Oh, it smells good. Okay, let's see here. Let me hear this. Ooh. A little thing to keep the moisture out. So it looks like that. Open it up. So I guess you could keep the black cloth, the crystal, shove it all in there. The crystal. What else? Not the candle. Oh, the little charms. Little bag of charms. I'm going to have to read more on this. I've never done things this way. It says charm casting is an ancient practice found across many cultures. Its roots come from casting lots where a healer or elder would throw objects such as bones, shells, stones, and interpret the patterns as messages. Historically, everyday items were often used, turning simple objects into tools for guidance and reflection. Today, many witches and practitioners use this method for personal divination, creating their own sets from meaningful, found objects. Each piece carries its own symbolism, shaped by intuition and experience. The placement, distance, and patterns formed during a cast are just as important as the individual meanings, creating a layered message. Charm casting has evolved into a deeply personal practice, allowing the practitioner to trust their intuition as meanings shift and grow over time. So, the box, the crystal, the candle, the mist that smells absolutely divine. I am going to put that back in here, though, because I'm going to be laying it on its side. So, I hope you enjoyed this box. I can leave the link down in the description. I really enjoy this box. This is one of my least favorites, though, so far. But that could change after I read and play with it a little bit. I mean, I'm down for trying some casting stuff. So, that's the Ink Goddess box for the month of August. Sorry about that, guys. So, until next time. I'm sorry, this has been a crazy... The dog thing is throwing me. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful weekend. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.